Hello guys, Geek into everyone. Today is my second day Python 1 month course. Let's check it out. Let's take a look on my plan. Okay, this plan ChatGPT bot provided me on the first lesson. Okay, today is the second day. The topic is control flow statements, if, else, and loops for and while. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is asking ChatGPT bot to provide information for the topic for the second day. Okay, I'm gonna ask write info for day. Okay, so we are waiting now. Okay, here we go. Let's zoom in. Okay. Uh, Day second, control flow statements, if, else, and loops for and while. Today's focus will be on control flow statements in Python. Control flow statements allow you to alter the program's execution path based on certain conditions or perform repetitive tasks. We'll cover three essential control flow statements: if, else, and loops. Loops are for while. Okay, first point, if and else statements. The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if a particular condition is true. It follows this syntax. So, and you see the syntax here. So it's a if, then condition should be true. If it's true, then this code executed. So and here is the code to be executed if the condition is true. Okay. The else statement allows you to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition in the if statement is false. It follows this syntax: if, then condition, and this code to be executed if the condition is true, okay, and else code to be executed if condition is false. Okay. So next. You can also use the elif statement to add additional conditions to check. It is short for else if and allows you to chain multiple conditions. The syntax is as follows: if condition 1, code to be executed if condition 1 is true; elif condition 2, code to be executed if condition 2 is true; then else, and code to be executed if all conditions are false. Then second point, loops. For loop. A for loop allows you to iterate over a sequence, such as list, tuple, string, or range, or any iterable object. It follows this syntax: follow, variable in sequence, and then code to be executed in each iteration. While loop. A while loop repeats a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. It follows this syntax: while, condition, and code to be executed as long as the condition is true. You can use the break statement to exit the loop prematurely, or the continue statement to skip the current iteration and move to the next one. Example, printing even numbers using a loop. So this is an example you can see. There is a second example, finding the factorial if a number using a while loop. Okay, and remember the experiment with these control flow statements. To gain a better understanding, try writing your own programs and play around with different conditions and loops. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys. It was the second day, and that's how ChatGPT bot provided information based on my plan, and this plan was provided by ChatGPT as well. So I hope you like it and try by your own, of course. Thank you for the watching this video. Ciao, ciao.